Hey guys, so I was looking for the issue on how to actually fix the Xbox Live Core service status. Now, a person wrote here this on some support forum, is that you just want to, I would like you to go through the following steps to clear the MAC address and then perform a quick power cycle on your console. Go to settings, go to network settings, go to advanced settings, alternative MAC address, clear it, and the console should restart. It would definitely help if you could restart the internet router while the console is restarting. After going through the troubleshooting step mentioned, I invite you to perform a quick power cycle by turning off the console and then unplugging all cables. After 2 to 3 minutes, replug them back in and then restart your console. So then what you can also do is go to settings, network settings, NAT type, and it should be open. And this port must be open for Xbox Live to work, port 88, port 3074, and check these ports so they are going to be open for you. So just want to make this like quick video for you on how you can possibly fix the issue. I just found this, and have a great day and goodbye.